Brad Williams, Excel primed. Insert a column list. Here we have a column list into a new three row by 4 column list. I don't like that particular title. The reason being, because we're using this wrap calls, dimensions are out of your hand. Here it's simple because we know when there are 12 items, 12 sports, and we can identify by placing this wrap calls, the wrap count to 3, and we're going to get 3 rows by 4. But what if this is an unknown number? Well, let's say it's 672, and you try to do this. Unless you do some pre-calculations, who knows what that outcome is going to be. Point is, allow this tool to do its thing, then you can create a title. What's critical here? Your array. You define your array, then your wrap count is going to parse this information, sort it out, and create whatever outcome wrap calls creates. It could be problematic if you have a busy worksheet and your wrap calls extends into or attempts to extend or has a collision with other data. Keep that in mind. The requirements, we have this vector, which is the array, the wrap count, and then the pad width. Here's a short write-up. Read it if you need it. Practice. Brad Williams, Excel primed.